Hello dear students, welcome to our channel Pharma Creations. Now we are going to discuss the MCQs of Biochemistry BP 203T. This is the DBA2 question paper of summer examination 2018. So one by one we will discuss its MCQs and their answers. So MCQ number 1, name the compound with greatest free energy. Option A is ATP, B is cyclic AMP, C is phosphocreatine, B is phosphoenol pyruvate. So if we see these compounds, among these components, the compound which having the greatest free energy, that is ATP. So option A is correct. Next MCQ, in TCA cycle acetyl coenzyme A condenses with dash dash to form acetate. Option A is acetyl coenzyme A, B is oxaloacetate, C is acetic acid and D is the citric acid. So here in TCA cycle acetyl coenzyme A is condenses with oxaloacetate to form the citrate. So option B is correct. Next MCQ, in a lipid soluble benzoquinone with a long isoprenoid side chain. Option A is ubiquinone, B is cytochrome B, C is cytochrome C and D is cytochrome A. So the benzoquinone which is having a isoprenoid side chain, that is called as a ubiquinone. So option A is correct. Fourth one MCQ, the cellular organelle is called suicide bags are. Option A is lysosomes, B is ribosomes, C is nucleus and D is Golgi bodies. So the cellular organelle which is having a alternative name, that is suicide bags, that is called as a lysosomes. So option A is correct. Next, which of the following is a stop codon? Option A is UAG, B is UAA, C UCA and option D is all of these. So here the codon which is called as a stop codon, that is UAG, UAA, UCA, all are the stop codons. So option D is correct. Next, sixth MCQ, which of the following is a phospholipid? Option A is lecithin, B is cholesterol, C is succinic acid and D is carotenoid. Here the example of phospholipid is lecithin. So option A is correct. Next, seventh MCQ, which of the following is an essential amino acid? Option A is valine, B is glycine, C is alanine and D is serine. So essential amino acid is valine. Option A is correct, valine. Next MCQ 8. The ETC located in option A is ribosomes, B is cytoplasm, C is mitochondria and D is the nucleus. So ETC is located in mitochondria. So C option is correct. Ninth one MCQ. Million's reaction is specific for the amino acid. Option A is valine, B is tyrosine, C is phenylalanine and D is arginine. So here Million's reaction is specific for the amino acid, that is B tyrosine. Next MCQ 10. One of the following is absent in DNA structure. Option A is adenine, B is guanine, C is cytosine and D is uracil. So adenine is present in DNA structure, guanine is also present and cytosine is also present in the DNA structure. So uracil is not present in the DNA structure. So option D is correct. Next 11th MCQ. Edman's reagent contains option A is phenyl isothiocyanate, B is 1-fluoro-2,4-dinitrobenzene, C is urea and D is dancyl chloride. So here in Edman's reagent contains phenyl isothiocyanate. So option A is correct. Next MCQ, the process of transfer of amino group from an amino acid to ketoacid is called as. Option A is oxidative amination, B is non-oxidative amination, C is transcarboxylation and D is transamination. So process of transfer of amino group from amino acid to the keto acid, this is the transfer process. So answer for MCQ number 12 is transamination. MCQ number 13, gluconeogenesis can proceed from all of the following except. Option A is pyruvate, B is palmitic acid, C is propionyl coenzyme A and D is the lactate. So gluconeogenesis proceed from all of the following except the option B is correct, that is palmitic acid. Next MCQ, codons are present on option A is mRNA, B is tRNA, C is rRNA and D is none of these. So codons are present on mRNA. So option A is correct. Next 15th MCQ, which of the following is an essential fatty acid? Option A is oleic acid, B is carboxylic acid, C is cystinic acid and D is the salicylic acid. So fatty acid which is a essential fatty acid, the example oleic acid is correct answer for this MCQ. Next 16th MCQ, Trypsin is an example for the class of enzyme, namely option A is oxidoreductases, B is transferases, C is hydrolases, and D is ligases. So trypsin is an example for the class of enzyme, namely hydrolases. So option C is correct. Next MCQ 17. The major site of urea synthesis is option A is brain, B is liver, C is kidney, and D is the muscles. So site for the urea synthesis is B, liver. So option B is correct. Next MCQ 18. Degree of unsaturation of fats and oils is denoted by option A is iodine number, B is phenol coefficient, C is acid number, and D is acetyl number. So degree of unsaturation of fats and oils is denoted by iodine number. So option A is correct. Next MCQ 19. Which of the following is not a ketone body? Option A is acetone, B is acetoacetate, C is beta hydroxybutyrate, and D is succinate. So ketone body, that is acetone is also ketone body, acetoacetate is also having a ketone group, so it is also a ketone body. Beta hydroxybutyrate, this is also a ketone body. So succinate does not have a ketone group, that is C double bond O. So correct answer for this MCQ, that is the compound which does not have a ketone body, that is succinate. Option D is correct. Next MCQ. Rancidity of fat is prevented by addition of option A is vitamin E, B is vitamin A, C is oxygen, and D is all of these. So rancidity of fat is prevented by addition of a vitamin E. So option A is correct. So in this way we have discussed the MCQs of biochemistry from the D/2 question paper summer 2018. Now next paper we will discuss. This is the question paper of biochemistry BP 2030 and the exam is winter examination 2018. One by one we will discuss its MCQs. Question number 1, that is the powerhouse of cell is called as option A is nucleus, B is cell membrane, C is mitochondria, and D is lysosomes. Organelle which is called as a powerhouse of the cell is called as a mitochondria. So option C is correct. Next MCQ, the general formula for monosaccharides is option A is CnH2nOn, B is C2NH2ON, option C is CnH2O2n, and D is CnH2nO2n. So the correct option for this MCQ, that is the general formula for the monosaccharides, is option number A, that is CnH2nOn. Next MCQ. Which of the following is a non-reducing sugar? Option A is glucose, B is maltose, C is lactose, and D is the sucrose. So non-reducing sugar is sucrose. So option D is correct. Next MCQ. The sugar found in RNA is option A is ribose, B is deoxyribose, C is pentose, and D is erythrose. So the sugar which is found in the RNA, that is ribose. So option A is correct. Next MCQ. A positive Benedict test is not given by option A is sucrose, B is lactose, C is maltose, and D is the glucose. So Benedict test is given by the lactose, maltose, and glucose, but it is not a positive for sucrose. So option A is correct answer for this MCQ, where the sucrose will not give a positive Benedict test. Next MCQ. Glucose 6-phosphatase is deficient in option A is von Gierke's disease, B is Pompe's disease, C is Cory's disease, and D is the Macrodale's disease. So glucose 6-phosphatase is deficient in the first one disease, that is von Gierke's disease. So option A is correct. Next MCQ. Under anaerobic conditions, the glycolysis of 1 mole of glucose yields dash moles of ATP. So here option A is 1, B is 2, C is 8, and D is the 30. So under anaerobic conditions, the glycolysis of 1 mole of glucose yields 2 moles of ATP. So here the option B is correct. So next MCQ. Glycogen is converted to glucose 1-phosphate by option A is UDPA transferase, B is branching enzyme, C is phosphorylase, and D is phosphatase. So here glycogen is converted to glucose 1-phosphate by phosphorylase. So option C is correct. Next MCQ, which of the following is not an enzyme involved in glycolysis? Option A is enolase, B is aldolase, C is hexokinase, and D is glucose oxidase. So the enzyme which is not involved in the glycolysis, that is option number D, that is glucose oxidase. Next MCQ, sulfur containing amino acid is option A is methionine, B is leucine, C is valine, and D is asparagine. So sulfur containing amino acid is methionine. So option A is correct. Next MCQ, phospholipids contains dash dash group. Option A is amino group, B is hydroxyl group, C is acetyl group, and D is phosphate group. So phospholipids contains phosphate group. So option D is correct. Next MCQ, dash dash is not the factor affecting the enzyme activity. Option A is concentration, B is pH, C is temperature, and D is molarity. So here the factor which is not affecting to the enzyme activity is concentration is affecting to the enzyme activity, pH also affecting, temperature is also affecting to the enzyme activity, but molarity is not affecting to the enzyme activity. So option D is correct. Next MCQ, the main site for oxidative deamination is option A is liver and kidney, B is skin and pancreas, C is intestine and stomach, and D is lung and skin. So main site for oxidative deamination is liver and kidney. Option A is correct. Next MCQ, the carbohydrate reserved in human body is option A is starch, B is glucose, C is glycogen, and D is insulin. So the carbohydrate form which is reserved in the human body is glycogen. So option C is correct. Next MCQ, RNA is converted to protein by option A is transcription, B is translation, C is lipase, and D is kinase. So RNA which is converted to the protein by translation process. So option B is correct. Next MCQ, which nitrogenous base is not found in the structure of RNA? Option A is thymine, B is uracil, C is guanine, and D is cytosine. So here the nitrogenous base which is not found in the structure of RNA, that is thymine. So option A is correct. Next MCQ, which of the following is an essential amino acid? Option A is valine, B is glycine, C is alanine, and D is histidine. So this is the repeated MCQ which we have already discussed in summer examination 2018, and the correct option is A, valine, which is the essential amino acid. Next MCQ, the cellular organelle is called as suicide bags are option A is lysosomes, B is ribosomes, C is Golgi bodies, and D is nucleus. So this MCQ is also repeated from summer exam 2018, and the correct answer is A, lysosomes. Next MCQ, degree of unsaturation of fats and oils is denoted by option A is iodine number, B is acid number, C is phenol coefficient, and D is acetyl number. This MCQ is also repeated over here from summer exam 2018, and the option is A, iodine number is correct. And last one MCQ, Millen's reaction is specific for the amino acid. Option A is valine, B is tyrosine, C is phenylalanine, D is arginine. This MCQ is also repeated from summer examination 2018. So correct option is tyrosine B. So in this way we have discussed the MCQs of winter examination 2018. I have received your comments regarding the MCQs and their doubts. It's very nice to see me that you are referring the MCQs, and also you are checking it whether it is correct or wrong. That is a very good thing from student point of view. In this way, study well and be communicated with me, and thank you so much for watching this channel.